In today's video, we are going to look into how you can get to delete a business page on Facebook. Just some simple steps. But before we get into that, if you do love my videos and you find them educative, just go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that each and every time I have an episode like this one, you always be the first one to be notified. So let's just go ahead. We open our Facebook account, and then what I need you to do, I need you to come to this option whereby you need to come to the menu section, and then from here, first thing first, you'll need to switch your pages. So you need to choose the page that you want to delete. So for this case, I'll just go ahead and I go with this one. So the other thing you need to do, you'll need to come to first of all, you'll need to go to the settings option right here on the top, whereby let's just go back. The other thing you'll need to do, you'll need to come to the setting option. Once you're on the page itself, you'll need to go to the option whereby you'll be looking for the access. So you get to do that by clicking the three buttons right there. So what you're required to do, you'll need now to head to the option whereby we'll be looking for the setting option. So you get to do that by coming to this option right here. You get to search. You can get to search search settings. For instance, let's just go ahead. We get to search settings. You can see unfortunately it's not popping up exactly what I'm looking for. So what you'll need to do, you'll need to go to the promote options, and then get to look for the option of whereby you get to edit the page. So that's what I'm looking for, and for now you need to edit the page itself. So let me just go back. First of all, let me just open and switch. Sorry, I hadn't switched to the exact page, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. So you'll need to switch to the page itself. So give it some time for it to switch, and then you'll need to look for the delete option. So right now you're on the page itself that you want to delete. So what we do, we need to come to this setting option, and from here we need to search. We can get to search access control, but for this case we can just scroll down here till to the point whereby we are going to see settings, page settings. After getting to click the page settings, let's just come here. We get to search delete. Can get to search the delete. Let's just search delete, and then we get to see what's bringing. So here's the option. You can get to choose to delete your page from here, but for this case, I'll just request you to just scroll down here till to the point whereby you're going to see settings, and then get to look for account settings, and then from here, this is where you can get to click delete. So basically that's how you get to delete a Facebook page.